We're working in section 2 from chapter 0, the preliminaries, and in this example, which is example number 3, the last example on this page, we are looking at generating a circle, the equation for a circle given some points. In example number 3, we need to find the equation of a circle whose radius is 5 with a given center of 2, -1. Now I'm going to go through this problem as if we didn't actually know what the equation for the circle was. I think you gain more from doing it that way. And then after we're done, we'll see how that compares with actually just plugging the values into the given equation for a circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw out the situation here. So here's our coordinate system. Okay, and we've got a center at 2, -1, and we have a radius of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need to point out here, point here, point out here, and a point down here. And so if we connect the dots, we'll get a rough idea, a rough sketch of what our circle looks like. Okay, so there's our circle. Now, let's grab an arbitrary point out on the circle. Well, this point is given by xy, right? It has some x coordinate, some y coordinate. In fact, every point on here has a different xy coordinate, and there's an infinite amount of points. So since this guy here at the center is at 2 over -1, what we can say is that the distance between these, the distance, okay, is equal to the square root of the difference in the x values squared plus the difference in the y values squared. And if we square both sides, we have the distance squared is equal to x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared. Now the distance between these guys, well, that's the radius of the circle. And we know that that's 5, so I get 25 x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared, just like that. And the general, so this is how you go ahead and you figure it out without using the formula. And the general formula is, whoops, we want an x. It's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. That's equal to r squared, where hk is the center and r is the radius.